In Norway, there exists a humorous law that prohibits people from snoring excessively in public places. While this may sound absurd, it actually stems from a desire to maintain public tranquility.
Ironically, one might think that snoring isn't a choice, leading to hilarious confrontations where the alleged snorers must defend their nighttime antics. Imagine waking up to a police officer taking your snore print as evidence. To illustrate the law's complexity, consider the debate it sparks about personal freedom versus communal peace. Such bizarre laws remind us that while we might grumble over them, they often highlight deeper societal values. Who knew snoring could be a ticket to both laughter and reflection?